right, everybody, it's that time of year again. The pressure is on for property owners as property taxes are due this Friday. Our McKenna Earnhardt went to the appraisal office today to get us all the answers we need. McKenna?
Terry, the office was packed with property owners today looking to get those payments in. But if you don't want to wait in line, you do have some options to avoid those expensive penalties.
Anybody who mails their tax bill or their payment to us, as long as that postmark is before midnight on the 31st, it's considered timely.
Now, if you are late, there is a penalty.
Basically 7%, which there's penalty and interest accrues at 1% per month.
Brian Boyd has been a homeowner in Lubbock for 10 years. He already has his taxes paid this year, but not before talking with an appraiser.
As soon as I get it in the mail, I will immediately, like the next week or so, make an appointment, and I'll go down there, chat with one of the appraisers.
Protests have to be done before the end of May, so some can prepare for Friday's deadline. Boyd says the process is pretty simple and sometimes even works.
We've protested it the last couple of years. One time we got good news, and the other time we didn't get good news, but we got a good explanation. And so having the information prepared when we went down there, it helped.
But win or lose, if you can't pay the full amount by January 31st, Radloff says at least pay what you can to reduce those penalties.
If you can't pay the full tax amount, obviously come down and pay what you can, and then we'll, that'll reduce how much your penalty and interest is on the remaining balance, which, I mean, you're still going to have hit with the penalty and interest, but it's going to be a little bit less than if you just let the whole bill go.
Now, if you want to skip those lines, you can pay online for a flat fee of $1.50. But if you need to use a credit card for a payment, know that you'll also be charged a little over 2% of the amount paid.